Hey everyone, it's Clint with Auto Detail Doctor in Columbus, Ohio. I want to give you a quick rundown of what's going on in the shop today. We have a Tesla Model 3 Performance in, and we applied paint protection film to the full front end of the car. Front bumper, full hood, the full fenders, and the mirrors. And then we applied a ceramic coating to lock in that gloss and shine permanently. Next, we have a BMW X5, and we applied a ceramic coating to it. We increased the gloss and shine by polishing, did a little bit of paint correction on it, but it turned out fantastic. This thing is like super glossy and shiny, and it's gonna stay looking that way permanently with just an easy wipe down wash. So look at the gloss and the reflection of that car. Next, we have a Tesla Model Y. And this car, we polished the paint, did not a whole lot, but a little bit of paint correction on it. And we applied paint protection film to the full front end of the car, the full hood, full front bumper, fenders, and the mirrors. Then we applied Opti Coat Pro Plus ceramic coating. So, been a busy week. We've also had other cars in here, but this is what's getting all picked up tonight and tomorrow. Let's get your car scheduled for some protection, either ceramic coating, paint protection film, or both, and give me a call. Thanks.